My name is Dhatri Reddy Pedditi. I am a second year student of the Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering enrolled in its BTech course. I am from Hyderabad. I am a boarder of Sarojini Naidu Indira Gandhi Hall of Residence. I am contesting for the post of General Secretary, Social and Cultural, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur for the academic session 2013-2014.
Do the panelists have any questions on the introduction? Dhatri, you continue with the SOP.
In my first year, as an associate publicity member of Springfest 2012, I publicized the fest in Hyderabad. I was actively involved in the in-house publicity of the fest and dedicatedly helped in organizing the various events at Kalidas Auditorium during the fest. As a core organizing team member of Springfest 2013, I was involved in the three major facets of the fest, namely sponsorship, event management and publicity. I brought in a total sponsorship amount of rupees 2,69,000, which includes alumni contributions and company sponsorship. During Springfest 2013, I was the member in charge of Kalidas Auditorium and successfully conducted the event scheduled over there. I was also involved in the extensive publicity of the fest in Hyderabad and Warangal during my member tenure. Apart from my association with Springfest, I took part in various extracurricular activities at IIT Kharagpur. I was a part of the special mention and performance inter-hall choreography team of Sarojini Naidu Indira Gandhi Hall of Residence for the year 2013. In my first year, I secured second position in the Freshers English Elocution competition. I have been a member of the English Technology Dramatic Society. I took part in 2 productions in my first year and 1 in my second year. As the head girl and Prime Minister of my school cabinet, I had solely led a team of 12 ministers for coordinating the various activities at school. Apart from this, I have actively participated in the programs of the United Nations Council for Andhra Pradesh pertinent to social causes. On a personal level, I am a black belt holder in Yamaguchi style karate and I won 3 national level championships, 4 state level championships and over 20 more victories in a period of 8 years. The General Secretary, Social and Cultural, is responsible for aspects ranging from the Social and Cultural General Championship to Springfest. This position of responsibility requires great dedication and diligence. I believe I have the confidence and zeal to represent the social and cultural interests of the student community and thus discharge the functions of a General Secretary effectively.
Dhatri, you mentioned that you are a black belt holder in karate. How do you think it will help you as a General Secretary of Social and Culture?
Karate is considered to be one of the toughest sports and I have pursued karate for 8 long years, which shows that I'm hardworking. Also, over a period of 8 long years, karate has inculcated in me qualities like dedication, concentration, and it has given me enough strength to tackle any kind of situations.
Congratulations for a black belt. You were telling about that karate sculptured your dedication. So, you came to Gokhale Hall to raise fund for sweatshirts?
I'm sorry ma'am, it is not raising fund for sweatshirt but collecting the order
for sweatshirts. When at the time of Springfest, everyone was calling you. Did you pick up the phone?
Yes ma'am, certainly I did.
No, you did not. And when I asked what is the delay, what was your answer? Will you please repeat it?
Ma'am, I cannot recall talking to you anytime. If you can elaborate what my answer was, I can give the justification for it.
The thing is, you acted with a very vague kind of attitude.
Ma'am, I think that is a very baseless comment and you should refrain from making such comments.
No, it's not like that. It's not like that.
Dhatri, when you compare Springfest 2012 and Springfest 2013, which are the 3 major areas for improvements, because this year Springfest
we all believe that this is not comparable to Springfest 2012.
No comment.
Sir,
please. No.
maybe that is your personal opinion, but as a core organizing team member of Springfest 2013, I believe Springfest team has put in its best efforts and we have given the best possible Springfest.
So no need of any improvement and betterment.
Sir, there is always scope for improvement. As members and heads of Springfest 2013, all of us will put in our best possible efforts to make Springfest better.
Am I allowed to ask?
One last question, but no personal remarks, please.
Okay. What about accommodation in Springfest 2013?
Sir, I think the accommodation provided by Springfest is the best possible.
Gatri, can you please state the conference? I asked this question before as well. I was not satisfied. Can you state the name of the conferences which happened in Model United Nations?
Yes, sir. There are two councils, the historic NATO and the DISEC.
And
What is the full form of DISEC?
Sir, I need not know the full form of DISEC because as a core organizing team member of Springfest 2013, I know the full details of the role played by Springfest in conducting the Model United Nations.
Gatri, you were an associate publicity member in your first year. You went to Hyderabad, and again as a member you went to Hyderabad for publicity. Could you give me the publicity data for both years?
Yes, sir. In my first year, when I went to Hyderabad as an associate publicity member, the turnout was 10. In my second year, there was no turnout from Hyderabad.
Is there a specific reason for this, Gatri? Why there was no turnout from
Yes,
Hyderabad?
sir. Certainly, there's a specific reason. In Hyderabad, most of the engineering colleges, or to that matter, all the engineering colleges are affiliated either to JNTU or Osmania University. And these two universities had their examinations scheduled exactly during the dates of Springfest.
Okay, so if you must have known this in advance, right? That they're going to have their exams. Instead of Hyderabad, did you try and publicize your fest in some other place and get participation, anything of that sort?
Yes, sir. This year, for the first time, there was a turnout of 14 from Warangal, wherein I approached the colleges of Warangal.
Gatri, okay fine, you said you had a role in the in-house publicity. Can you just elaborate on that?
Yes, sir. As a part of in-house publicity, we, the team of associate publicity members, have publicized the various events of the fest, and we're also actively involved in publicizing about the events in various halls of residence.
Okay, as an associate publicity member, I believe you were into the spammers a lot, I guess.
So what do you mean by into the spammers a lot? We did put up posters in halls of residence.
You used to do a lot of spamming, right?
We used to put up notices on behalf of Springfest in various halls of residence.
Yes, I mean, do you think with the new notice that has come up right now, do you think there will be a huge impact on the way Springfest is publicized within the campus?
Sir, last year, as an associate publicity member, we had to put up a few notices on the walls to increase the visibility of Springfest in comparison with other organizations in the campus. Now that putting up posters on walls is banned for every organization, I think the process will be fair enough. All the notices will be put up only on the notice board, so there is no problem about it.
So the basic reason of having an ASP was to help the core team in probably bringing yourself better into the eyes of the audience. Now, with a limited space on the walls and everything, do you have anything specific in mind to actually catch the eye of the KGP audience?
So to catch the eye of KGPNs, the only way is not putting up posters. Also, associate publicity members' only job is not putting up posters, rather taking the fest into the people, publicizing about the fest in their hometown as well as in the campus, which is done not only through putting up notices.
I'm not speaking about your role as an ASP. Probably your experience as a core team member, something you thought that should actually make sense.
So could you be more explanatory? Sense as in?
Sense as in something going, I mean, exploring different avenues or something.
Yes, sir. As a core organizing team member, we did explore various aspects.
Do you have any suggestion to improve the in-house publicity?
In-house publicity. That
Sir, I have a lot of ideas which will be implemented if elected as a General Secretary, social and cultural. If you can be more explanatory with your question, I can answer you specs. Exactly.
Okay, I think what Manish is trying to say is that now that you won't have as much space as you had earlier to put up posters, the number of posters that you'll put up will probably decrease, right?
Yes, sir.
So you'll have to come up with some other way to publicize it. He wants to know if you have some ideas to counter this, right, Manish?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's what.
So we do have a lot of ideas, and Springfest always works as a team. The ideas will be discussed among the team, and we will come up with a good idea.
Gatri, don't you think that the social media has become so strong that you publicize the fest through Facebook and Twitter a lot? So don't
Yes,
you think
ma'am.
you take forward that idea?
Yes, ma'am. Now that the number of posters has decreased, we can always use the social media to publicize about the fest.
Gatri,
Annually, in how many production ATDS is involved in?
So after my joining English Technology Dramatic Society, the society put up 6 productions in my first year, and in my second year it put up 7 productions.
And in how many productions you were involved?
As I already mentioned in my statement of purpose, I took part in 2 productions in my first year and 1 in my second year.
Like the ratio is, I don't think so, like it is a very good ratio, so any reason for that?
So it is a good ratio,
Like,
because not all plays
out
are
of
put
7
up.
production, you have took part in only 1 production and
So
you
I have an
failed.
answer for that. Let me complete my answer, sir.
The ratio is not good. You have to explain that why you have taken that ratio a good ratio.
So in my first year, I took part in the freshers production. There were 2 annuals, one of which was completely put up by seniors, in which I couldn't be a part of, and there was another annuals which was completely put up by the freshers, in which I was a part of. Apart from this, ETDS put up 2 plays during Spring Fest. Because of my prior commitments as an associate publicity member, I couldn't take part in that. In my second year, I took part in the Freshers Welcome production, after which the Freshers production was put up entirely by freshers, and I'm not allowed to take part in that, sir. Apart from that, there were 2 productions put up by English Technology Dramatic Society in Springfest. As a core organizing team member of Springfest 2013, I had prior commitments, because of which I couldn't take part in them.
But would you say you've given up your passion and your love for drama because of Springfest, or could you balance both of these parallelly also in any way?
So the fact that I have taken part in 2 productions in first year, 1 in my second year, and also took part in the inter-hall choreography team of Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi Hall Presidents, shows that I'm still living up to my passion in dramatics.
Are you involved with dramatics events in Springfest also?
Sir, I cannot be involved in.
Yeah, as in, are you involved in conducting them?
Yes, sir. I was the sole member in charge of Kalidas Auditorium and successfully conducted the Rangmanch event.
Thank you, Dali.
Gatri, have you taken any initiative in the last 2 years which will reflect that if elected you will be a very good GSEC?
Yes, sir. As an associate publicity member, I took the initiative to conduct Rangoli in association with Spectra. As a core organizing team member, I took the initiative to contact various institutes to associate with Springfest, during which I was successful in getting a Fine Arts Association for the first time with the International Fine Arts Academy worth 1.5 lakhs. Apart from this, I was successful in getting the Photography Association with the photo unit worth 50,000.
Tri, you mentioned that you took the initiative to conduct Rangoli in association with Spectra, but that is something that was already happening in previous years.
Sir, if you have not noted it, I said conduct and not organize. During the fest, it so happened that the members and heads were preoccupied with other events. So I took the initiative to coordinate with Spectra during the fest.
That is your duty, not your initiative.
Sir, the role of associate publicity, I was a Kalidas attachee during my associate publicity member. So the duty becomes that I take care of the events in Kalidas Auditorium. Apart from the events in Kalidas Auditorium, I took the initiative to conduct Rangoli as well.
That's it. Then Gatri, you take a seat.
3 proposals. My first proposal is conducting classes for various cultural activities with the help of trained professionals for giving cultural exposure to students at IIT Kharagpur. My second proposal is conducting an awareness drive for social and cultural activities for freshers in various halls of residence. This improves the participation in various social and cultural events from undergraduate, postgraduate and research scholars halls of residence eventually. My third proposal is to associate with Sony TV to conduct SF Ke Liye Kuch Bhi Karega, which would be judged and certified by the team of Entertainment Ke Liye Kuch Bhi Karega. This encourages more quality participation in Springfest from all over the nation through this mode of publicity. Getting into the details of my first proposal, I propose to conduct classes for various cultural activities with the help of trained professionals at IIT Kharagpur. Trained professionals of various genres of dance and music would take classes for students at IIT Kharagpur. Students will have to pay a basic fee for the training. The dance forms include salsa, hip-hop, contemporary and classical. The instruments are guitar, flute, violin, tabla, harmonium, keyboard and drums. Scope for students at IIT Kharagpur to get professional training in various cultural activities within campus premises. Encouraging cultural activities among those who want to learn these from the basics. Based on the response, further classes for craft, dramatics on regular basis can also be held.
Dhatre. For drums, how you are planning to arrange drums for all the people who will be interested?
Sir, initially we are planning to begin with guitar and flute. Later we'll introduce more instruments, sir.
So later on also, how you will introduce?
Sir, there's always a way. If we want to conduct, then we can conduct. Initially, because this is the first time such a program is being organized, we're beginning with guitar and flute. Also, a survey has been conducted with between 200 people, wherein 150 people have voted to have such classes, amongst whom 90 people wanted guitar and 50 people wanted flute. So initially we are beginning with guitar and flute.
Dhatri, don't you think this could also be taken up maybe as an initiative by the various societies of IIT Kharagpur?
Sir, if you notice carefully, there are classes every week, 2 hours per week. And if the governors of society would like to take these classes, they are also students. They have to manage their academics. And it's like the governors cannot be free every week for 2 hours taking classes throughout the semester. Moreover, we are getting trained professionals from Calcutta.
Dhatri, your survey occurred among whom? Means 200 people out of 9,000. So who are those specific people?
Sir, specific as in we have done surveying in most of the halls of presidents covering different types of students like the undergraduates, postgraduates, research scholars and girls and boys.
And you got only 200.
Sir, I have done 200.
I will go clarification.
200 students, sir.
Only just one clarification. Appendix 2.
Ma'am, appendix 2 is in reference with my proposal number 2.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. But the thing is, question is, it's not like about the virtue of your proposal. The thing is, here is written postgraduate, MSc 2 years, LLB 1 year students. So is it referring LLB first year students?
Ma'am, I would like you to refer to www.iitkgp.ac.in. Therein the same schedule is given in academic calendar.
LLB is a 3 years course. You are not getting my question. LLB is a 3 years course and here
the orientation the awareness drive program is for the freshmen of different halls of residence, and LLB first year includes LLB freshmen.
Dhatri, am I allowed to ask something or should I go to www.iitkgp.ac.in? iitkgp.ac.in. Am I allowed to ask?
Question was regarding the correctness of the information of LLB first year. So I gave ma'am a reference so that the information can
Thank you for giving reference.
You're welcome, sir.
Anything in your proposal? Anything you have for increasing participation from PG and RS side?
Yes, sir. The very proposal number 2, which is conducting an awareness drive in various halls of residence, is to cause awareness among the postgraduates and research scholars. So the whole proposal is directed about causing awareness, which will obviously increase the participation from postgraduate and research scholars.
Dhatri, coming back to your first proposal, who do you think will be most benefited by your proposal?
Sir, the people who will be most benefited from my first proposal are again postgraduates, research scholars as well as the freshers.
And why? Since, I believe there is already training given to undergraduate students in their hall. So, do you agree with that?
Yes, sir. In most of the halls of residence, students are trained, but then it is evident that the participation from postgraduate and research scholar halls of residence is less. That is because they might not have had prior knowledge in these fields. So they can learn these here in IIT Kharagpur from the basics and then pursue them.
Okay, Dhatri, are you aware that there are classes for all these instruments that are conducted in Prem Bazaar?
Sir, I think you should refer to the last table of appendix
No,
1.
I'm just asking you, why should a student attend the classes in Gymkhana rather than the ones which are in Prem Bazaar? Is there a significant advantage of attending them over here apart from the fact that it's closed?
So there's certainly a significant advantage, which is the classes will be conducted here within the campus at a cheaper rates than those which are being provided by those outside the campus. Also, the various quotations I've got from people who are training outside the campus are taking only one class per week, whereas the institutes that I've contacted are taking 2-hour classes per week.
So the amount of time would double and the cost would be lesser?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Dhatri,
to ask a question apart from your proposal sentence that you are trained in karate. So you have not given any proposals in relation to that you can have some events which could relate to karate and we could get trained.
As a contestant for General Secretary Social and Cultural, I've included various trainings for the cultural activities, including any training for sports and games is out of my purview. I would certainly suggest the General Secretary Sports and Games about the same.
Adri, the very basis of your proposal is the survey that you have conducted. There are 20 halls in IIT Kharagpur and you have conducted the survey among 200 people, that's approximately 10 per hall. Yeah, somewhat in that range. So do you think this figure do you think this number will help you find the right opinion in the student community?
So the idea of conducting my survey is not to reach maximum number of people or maximum halls of residence. The basic idea was to cover different types of people like undergraduates, postgraduates, research scholars, girls and boys, and I think I've positively covered all these.
But that's even less than half of the strength of the smallest halls in IIT Kharagpur. Don't you think that this is a very small number?
The strength of batch of each class is 50. I've already conducted a survey in 200 people, out of which 150 are positive about it. So out of 150, even if 1/3 people turn up, my classes will be successful.
If you had conducted the same survey in 4,000 people, again the same ratio would come?
Sure, sir. If elected as a General Secretary, Social and Cultural, I will conduct a survey for all the 9,944 students of IIT Kharagpur.
I sincerely wish you get the same feedback from the complete set of the students. So,
Sir, could you repeat your question, please?
I sincerely wish you get the same feedback from the complete 9,000.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, if you do get the feedback from 9,000 students, taking out of 200, let's say 50 people turn up, so out of 10,000, that's a huge number of people, right? Is it logistically feasible to organize classes for so many people on campus?
So maybe it is logistically not possible to arrange classes for 7,000 people, but then a systematic procedure of distribution of the application form for these classes will be done through the Technology Students Gymkhana. Also, if a lot of students are interested in learning, then we can call more professional trainers from Calcutta and see that the interests of most of the students are catered.
Dhatri, during your open application, then there will be huge queue and no PG participant will go for that. What we can see in the society that when we go to Gymkhana and see the huge.
Sir, as you already mentioned, the distribution is open for everyone.
So if it is open for everyone, then there will be queue. If there is not special attention for PG, then the scenario will be same like this. What's going on?
So the classes are open for everyone, the postgraduates, research scholars, without considering...
Dhatri, do you think asking someone to stand in line and take a form is something wrong? It's a fair method, right?
Not at all. It is a fair method.
And it is also his interest, right? So he needs to come and he needs to put in a little effort.
Is that a valid expectation you're keeping from people?
Yes, sir. I'd like to repeat your point. It also depends on the interest of the postgraduate and research scholar students.
Dhatri, you have mentioned fees for learning these instruments that you have offered. Can you justify these fees?
Yes, sir. The trainers who are coming here in IIT Kharagpur to teach are professionals from various reputed institutes of Calcutta. Also, they're taking 2 hours per week and they're charging fees like 500, which is cheaper when compared to the fees charged by the trainers for teaching just outside the campus of IIT Kharagpur.
Okay, I think that's it, Dhatri. You'll take your seat. Thank you.